Hello guys, Happy New Year. How to beat the traffic in the Philippines in 2025. If your work is not too far in your house, learn to walk. It will give you a benefit of exercise and then save a lot of money. Second is, if your work is not too far, in your home maybe 4 kilometers or 3 kilometers, just buy a bike and e-bike. Third is use the public transportation, the buses and MRT, LRT, the train in the Philippines. Fourth, if your work is maybe a little bit too far in your home, um, buy a e-bike or buy a bike. But learn to respect the rules in the road. Register your e-bike and um, buy a lot of equipment for your safety. That's all. Happy 2025.